Hey burping fans! You remember me, I made that burping and almost, I had comments saying, make more, those were really funny. Excellent burping. I haven't gotten to go around. I haven't gotten to read the comments. And, I was really busy making other videos. But this is the day we make another burping video. I hope you like it. I might even do some of people's comments or whatever, like Gur's "Why Piggy Why" in burping voice. But one and a drum roll, please. You got it. One second. Wait. And this is in Chinese. The other one was in Spanish. And I'm sorry folks, but I have to go, but I'll do 2 more things for you. Wait.
I saw a squirrel. It was doing this.
That's the best I can do, and
Why I love you. I love you.
oh, sorry, but you can comment how awesome I was, and you can ask for more, you can ask for less, or whatever, and I hope you recognize me. See, short hair, same shirt. Well, bye, love you fans.